Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're going to be making a cute card using the Our Story stamp set. This is an online exclusive from November 2025. And we're also going to be using the Perennial Lavender Designer Series paper. And our cards today are going to be made using the sheet load of cards by Call Me Crafty Al. This is the December 2025 card sketch. So this is what we're going to be doing. So before we get started on that, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We have our special delivery paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 9 Valentines for love or friendship. Poppy Parade is a classic stamping spot. We have the Beautiful Blooms add-on dies for $13, item number 168666. That coordinates with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kits. And there's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I've stuffed full of new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. If you're interested, please email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Lastly, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem rewards on future orders. Track and save those rewards in your online Stampin' Up account, and rewards do expire 12 months after the earning date, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on our project. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I have a card base here of crumb cake. This is 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. And I'm gonna add a piece. No, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna stamp first. So let's get stamping. So I have our inside here of basic white 3.5 by 4 3/4. And we are going to get some pretty peacock ink. And we're gonna stamp family right here at the top. And then I'm going to put the words friends. Oh. I'm going to put that right here, like that. Then I have the and. So family and friends, just like that. And then for our front of our card, I have this little banner piece here, and I'm going to stamp the best memories are created with. And now I might have to pull this a little closer to me so I can see. Hopefully I won't get in the camera. And hopefully I got that on there good. Oh, perfect. Okay, so that is all we need the pretty peacock for. Then I have one more image to stamp on the inside, and we're going to do that in Gorgeous Grape. And it's this little leaf image here, and I'm just going to put that right there just to give it a little something something. Okay, so that is all of our stamping done. So for the inside, I have a piece of the Designer Series paper that is 3/4 inches, and we're going to glue this on to the bottom of our basic white here. I'm just going to sit that right on there, like so. Okay, we're going to get our scissors and trim off the extra. And then we can, oh, I need it, get our card base. And I ran out of seal and I forgot to refill it, so I'm gonna put a little bit of glue. I don't like using liquid glue on the writing portion, so I'm gonna just do it at the top and bottom. We're gonna place this on the inside of our card base, just like that. Okay, so I have some pretty peacock here, and for this card sketch I had 2 different pieces of Designer Series paper, and I cut them in half like this, and then did like a kind of a swap. So it's kind of like a stack, cut, and shuffle, but it's only for 2 cards. Well, her card, let me see, the sheet load, it says it yields 6 cards if I would have done it the way she said, because you start with 3 6x6 pattern papers, and I just wanted to make 2 cards. So you need 2 sheets of designer series paper, and that's going to give you the 2 cards. Because if you're going to make one, you're still going to have to do the 2 sheets. And so you might as well just make 2. So I've made this card already, but in the opposite of what this one looks like. Because when you cut the panels, you get one top and one bottom, and then you got to switch them. And switch them. So we're going to put that on there like that, and then we'll add this to our card base. Make sure I get this glue around the edges there. Add this onto our card base. Now I'm not giving you measurements because this is Call Me Crafty Al's sheet load of cards, and I will put a link in the description box on how you can get her free PDF. And she gives you all the measurements and the cutting guide and everything on how to get this done. Okay, so then I have some basic white and another piece of designer series paper that I'm going to layer together. I'm going to just put these together like this. Ooh, I love the way that white brings out everything in this paper. Okay, so now I think everything else goes on with Stampin' Dimensionals. So let's get some dimensionals here. Do I have regular dimensionals? Yeah, here they are. Here they go. We're going to put some dimensionals on the back of this. This piece here. Let me see if that feels like enough for me. I'm going to put some on the back of our sentiment. I don't want to put any more, but I do. You guys know me, dimensionals. Oh my goodness. Let me make sure I didn't put that too high. Yeah, it's stressing me out. I have to put more because it seems like it's dipping in too much. Okay, so let's remove these dimensional backings. This is a quick and simple card, but it's so stunning. I love it. Oh, I missed one. So let's put this on. And we're just going to sit this right here in the center. And I'm going to put mine a little more towards the top than the bottom. Okay, then we're going to put our sentiment on. Come on. And this is going to go right underneath, right here. Try to center that on there. This is super cute. Okay, so now all we have to do is add our bling. And for that, I have the two-tone sparkle gems. Now, I'm not sure if these are still in the online exclusive portion or if they've retired. I have a bunch, so I'm going to use them because I have to stop getting rid of stuff just because it retired. I bought them, so I'm going to use them. So I am going to put one of these over here. Then I'm going to put one of the big ones here. Then I'm going to get a small one. Get me one of these small ones and put it here. And that is the card done. Isn't that cute? The best memories are created with family and friends. Isn't that pretty? I like this. Let me show you the first one I made with the other. So see, the only difference is these two sheets there. And of course, a different portion of this paper. But that's it. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.